Want to turn off location sharing on your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off your location on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off your location on iPhone, open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. To stop sharing your location with any of the apps on your device, tap the switch at the top to disable it. To confirm, tap Turn Off in the pop-up. Once this is turned off, none of the apps on your device will be able to access your location. That's all it takes to turn off location sharing on iPhone. Want to turn off location sharing on specific apps instead of your entire device? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.